College of Law here in Morgantown, and I want to welcome you all this afternoon to join us for this unprecedented swearing-in ceremony for the Northern District of West Virginia. We're super excited to have this here. As you all know, these ceremonies usually take place in a courtroom. And actually, 45 years ago when I was being sworn in, there was some problem at the Northern District of West Virginia, so I couldn't be sworn in there either. And I can't even remember where I was sworn in. So these things happen, but actually we planned this. Professor Trychta arranged this, and it's really special for us to have all of you here with your loved ones to get sworn in. You'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy Judge Kleeh. He and I practiced at Steptoe and Johnson for many years together, and when I was thinking about what I could tell you about him, I decided I won't tell you anything about him. He and I had a lot of fun together, practicing together over the years, and he will make this a very special day for you. So thanks for being here and joining us on this happy, happy day.
All rise. The United States District Court of Northern West Virginia is now in session. The Honorable Chief Judge Thomas S. Kleeh presiding.
Afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much. Please be seated. Thank you. All right. Great to see everybody. Moms, dads, grandparents, significant others, friends, etc. Please move about wherever you need to. Today's your day. Make sure you get the pictures that you need. Thank you all so much for being here today. Dean Brewer, thank you again for agreeing to host our monthly new attorney admission ceremony. So many of you may already know this. There are a lot of district courts around the country that getting your admission process and getting a certificate is as warm, fuzzy, and personable as clicking a couple buttons on the internet, making sure your firm credit card goes through, and then you're good to go. This is actually a proud tradition here in the Northern District, particularly at our Clarksburg point of holding court that Judge Keeley carried on. I'm not allowed to say for how many years, but for more than 1 year. She did that, and it's my humbling privilege to continue it. And by that, I mean having in-person new attorney admissions and swearings in. Those forced to endure that process from remote locations don't enjoy our tradition as much, but being the provincial mountaineer I am, that is their problem to deal with, and we locals will take care of each other as best we can. So again, thank you all for being here, and thanks everyone at the law school for having us. I see everyone mostly has appropriate blue and gold ties on. We'll come to your tie in a moment, sir. Oh, and there's a red one. Okay, we'll get there in a moment, because in all things, I do my very best to emulate Judge Keeley. I fall quite short of that regularly. This ceremony is no different, other than just to warn everybody. I like to use my little judge bully pulpit up here to take a critical review of everyone's resume and academic credentials. And those of you who are now a little nervous, who went to inferior offensive schools, will likely hear about that before this court decides whether to admit you to the bar of the Northern District of West Virginia. So you have a few seconds to prepare your defense if necessary. Also, one more thing. My youngest daughter, Katie, who turned 10 just a couple days ago, sees my pretty blue and gold robe regularly on our way through my office to the garage, wonders why I have it. Doesn't feel appropriate for criminal proceedings and federal court. So thank you for giving me an opportunity to wear my robe, particularly after last evening's resounding defeat of that school up north. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to use proper language, even though we don't technically have a court reporter here today. Ladies and gentlemen, and our new lawyers, we'll do this a little different than what I typically do. we're going to have everyone's motions presented alphabetically, assuming I don't object so strenuously to your academic resume and permit you entry to the Bar of the Northern District. I'll grant the motion. If I could ask you to pause over here with Madam Clerk, she has your certificates, but we'll do the formal oath once we're finished. But we'll try to do that for efficiency purposes. With that, Professor Trychta, ma'am, and Ms. Bond, good afternoon.
May it please the court, my name is Kirsha Trychta. I'm a teaching professor and the Academic Excellence Center Director here at the West Virginia University College of Law. I'm also a member of the Pennsylvania and West Virginia State Bars and have been admitted both to the Southern and Northern Districts in West Virginia. It is my distinct honor and privilege to appear before this court today to move for the admission of exemplary WVU Law graduates. First before us today is Sydney Bond. Sydney is employed at Wyndham Law Offices in Harrisville, West Virginia. She's a native of Parkersburg, graduated from West Virginia University at Parkersburg with a degree in criminal justice. During law school here, she practiced as a student attorney in the General Litigation Clinic, was a member of Women's Leadership Council and the Environmental Law Society. She earned an academic concentration in land use and sustainable development. I present her for admission to the Southern District
Which district?
of West Virginia.
The Northern District.
Oh, gosh.
Come on, Professor.
I have said that so many times this month. I apologize, Your Honor. We are recording, too.
Okay, we are recording. All right. We'll go back and post and edit that. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Your Honor, I
Okay.
present her for admission to the Northern District.
Great. Thank you. Your motion is granted,
Thank
Professor,
goodness.
as modified. Ms. Bond, I don't believe the Mountaineers have played the Pot State Mountaineers or Parkersburg Mountaineers, so I have no objection to your resume. We're honored and privileged, ma'am, to have you join our ranks in the Bar of the Northern District. Congratulations and welcome. Thank you. And if you wouldn't mind grabbing your certificate from Madam Clerk. Thank you. All right, let's see. Next, Ms. Cabinas, am I saying that correctly? I'm sorry. Yes. Great, thank you, ma'am. Professor?
Your Honor, this is Jane Kinsman Cabines, a native of Charlestown, West Virginia. She graduated from not WVU Law with a degree in political science. I'm sorry, from not WVU undergrad, but she did go to WVU Law. Here, she was an all-star. Inducted into the Order of the Coif, Jane completed a summer judicial clerkship with the Honorable Judge Folk and participated as a student attorney in our West Virginia Innocence Project. Jane now works as an associate attorney at Botner & Associates in the areas of criminal defense, family law, and personal injury.
All right. Well, you don't get to take the fifth on where you went to undergrad, ma'am.
I went to Flagler College and St. Augustine, Florida.
I don't think the Mountaineers have played them either, without objection. Motion granted. Ms. Cabinas, welcome to the Bar of the Northern District. We're so happy to have you, ma'am. Welcome. Thank you. There's going to be somebody. You know who you are. You just
I'm going
wait.
to keep trying to hide them from you, sir.
All right. Mr. Cross, sir.
Jacob Ryan Cross is currently serving as a law clerk with the Honorable Judge Irene C. Berger. Jacob is a native of Summit Point, West Virginia, and graduated from Shepherd University, summa cum laude, receiving a degree in political science. He then graduated from WVU Law and was inducted into the Order of the Coif. In addition to earning several Cali Awards, Jacob served as editor on the West Virginia Law Review and a student attorney in our United States Supreme Court clinic. I present him for admission to the Northern District.
Great, thank you. Motion granted. Mr. Cross, we're happy to welcome you as well to the Bar of the Northern District, sir. Welcome aboard. Please give Judge Berger my very, very best. Thank you, sir. All right, Mr. Noel, sir. We'll give Professor Trychta a chance to catch up. Mr. Graves, all right.
Your Honor, may it please the court.
Sir.
I'm Chad Noel. I'm an assistant prosecuting attorney here in Morgantown. I'm also a member of the West Virginia State Bar, admitted to practice before this court for many years. Your Honor, it's with great pleasure that I present for admission my friend and colleague, Aaron Graves. Aaron has a remarkably deep history of sincere and demanding public service. Aaron was in the United States Marines from 2004 through 2011. much of that time spent as an infantry platoon officer in Afghanistan. Following his time with the United States Marines, he returned home and was a law enforcement officer with the West Virginia University Police Department, which is where I came into contact with him. He was with the UPD
Don't say
for 12
anything further about
years.
that. Don't say anything further about your contact with law enforcement, sir. You should take the fifth.
Thank you, sir. Much of the time that he was with UPD, he was assigned to our local drug task force as a task force officer, where he distinguished himself and drove many very meaningful investigations that brought a great deal of benefit to this community. Following his time with UPD, he was actually a firefighter with the Morgantown City Fire Department for 2 years. At that time, he attended WVU College of Law, graduating in May of 2025. He passed the bar this past summer and was admitted to practice in the state of West Virginia just last month. Your Honor, during law school at WVU, he was involved with the Veterans Advocacy Clinic, summers 1 and 2. I think he interned with Flaherty's office as an intern. And then the second half of 2024, I had an opportunity to work with him as a Rule 10 in my office, where he excelled. He has accepted a position, Your Honor, with Flaherty's office here in Morgantown in their litigation department. Judge, knowing Aaron as I do, I know that he'll be a credit to our legal community, and I'm very, very proud to move for his admission to appear in this court.
Understood. You neglected to mention Mr. Graves somehow passed the bar after taking my Crim Pro 1 class as well. So, Mr. Graves, great job on that. I don't think I know where you went to undergrad, though, sir.
Here.
Okay. Just making sure, man. Just making sure. Okay.
Here, yes.
Thank you for your service to our country, of course, and welcome to the bar. Motion granted. We're happy to have you here in the Northern District. Mr. Graves, thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. All right, Professor Trychta, you're back up. Ms. Gray.
Your Honor, in her last year of law school, Kimberly Elizabeth Gray served as president of the Women's Leadership Council and vice president to both the Public Interest Advocates and Community Service Council. In the future, Kimberly is excited to continue practicing abuse and neglect here in West Virginia, and she wishes to thank her family, friends, colleagues, and professors for all the support and encouragement she received throughout her legal career. Kimberly is a proud WVU Law graduate.
Understood. Undergrad. Excellent work. Motion granted with joy in my heart. Ms. Gray, welcome to the Bar of the Northern District of West Virginia. Ma'am, we're happy to have you. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. Mr. Prince, sir. Mr. Gutta.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Wes Prince. I'm an attorney at Medea Law and have been so since 2017. And it is my honor to move for the admission of Matthew Gutta to the admission for the practice of law in the Northern District of West Virginia. Mr. Gutta is a double West Virginia University graduate, undergrad,
I assumed as much, sir. I
and
assumed
law
as
school.
much.
He's been practicing in Morgantown since 2016, primarily in real estate and property law, but he still dabbles in civil and criminal litigation to keep his other attorneys happy so we can talk to him and understand what exactly he does. And he will certainly be an advocate and a dutiful counselor at law before this court. And with that, Your Honor, it's my honor to move his admission.
Understood. Thank you, Mr. Prince. Mr. Gutta, it's my privilege to grant Mr. Prince's motion. Welcome to the Bar of the Northern District, sir. We're happy to have you. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Whew, so far, we got perfect records. Something's coming. Something's coming. All right. Professor, Ms. Hall.
Your Honor, I present Grace Hall. Grace works as an associate at Oxley, Rich Salmons, and Huntington. Grace graduated from West Virginia University with a 3+3 degree in political science and earning an area of emphasis in law and legal studies. During law school, Grace was a member of the Women's Leadership Council, the Wellness Council, and our healthcare law organization. Grace hails from, is it Culloden? Culloden.
We're going to work on West Virginia geography.
I know. I've got Hurricane and Sissonville.
Okay.
I've been
There's no,
working.
yeah, there's no second S.
Yeah.
But, all right, we'll get to Culloden.
Culloden, West Virginia. I present her for admission to the Northern District.
Understood. Professor, you're taking all these slings and arrows. You better get somebody from Ohio State or something up here soon.
I'm saving something good for the end, Your Honor.
Excellent. It is my privilege to grant Professor Trychta's motion. Ms. Hall, welcome to the bar of the Northern District of West Virginia. Please proudly wear your blue and gold about Huntington each and every day, ma'am. Understood. Thank you. Welcome to the bar. All right. Ms. Hall.
Your Honor, Heather Haw has been an active member of the legal community for nearly a decade. She served as a paralegal with the 2nd Judicial Circuit Public Defender's Office and with 2 private law firms. She also volunteered with Legal Aid of West Virginia and assisted attorneys across the state in fulfilling their continuing legal education requirements, all before she came to law school. She presently serves as a case coordinator to the Honorable Judge Karen Hill Johnson, Family Court Judge for the 21st Family Court Circuit. She passed the bar this summer, and we're excited to offer her for admission to the Northern District.
Understood. It's my privilege to grant your motion, Ms. Hall. Welcome to the bar of the Northern District. We're happy to have you. And yes, I know you went to West Lib. I'm taking the fifth on what I used to do at West Lib when I was in high school growing up in Wheeling. I don't think the Mountaineers have played West Lib either, so without objection, motion granted. Welcome to the bar. All right, thank you, ma'am. All right, Mr. Erb, sir.
Your Honor, I present Gage Erb. He works as an attorney at Bowles Bryce. He's a native of Marietta, Ohio, and graduated from Marietta College with a degree in public accounting and finance. During law school here at WVU, Gage achieved Cali Awards in coal, oil, and gas, business and commercial law, and appellate advocacy. Gage also served as executive articles symposium editor for volume 127 of the West Virginia Law Review. I present him for admission to the Northern District.
Understood. Mr. Erb, congratulations on escaping Ohio, getting to a better state. We probably played Marietta in like the early 1900s or something, but even though I wear readers now, I wasn't around for that. So without objection to Marietta College, Professor Trychta's motion is granted. Welcome to the bar of the Northern District, sir. We're happy to have you. Thank you. Welcome, sir. All right, Mr. Kale.
Your Honor, I'm joined by Robert Watson Kale, or Rob as we know him, joined the firm of Bordas & Bordas to practice plaintiff's personal injury. He's a native of Wheeling, West Virginia.
Amen.
And a self-proclaimed, quote, proud mountaineer. He attended WVU for his undergraduate degree, receiving a degree in history, summa cum laude, and was specifically recognized for having the highest GPA in the history department for his graduating class. In law school, Rob worked in the general litigation clinic, quote, going after tow truck companies of Morgantown. While in law school, he had the privilege of serving as president of the Community Service Council, a club which he said is his proudest achievement. He would specifically like to thank Professor Totolo, who's in the room with us today, for, quote, the Platinum Club, and his family for contributing to his success at law school.
Understood. Jason Causey tell you to write Proud Mountaineer on your little form here?
He did.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I thought so.
He submitted this late last night.
Uh-huh, I'm sure. And you didn't bring DeCarlos for everyone? Okay, all
share it,
right.
though.
All right, noted. I'll note my comment for the record. I won't object. Motion granted, Professor. Mr. Kale, welcome to the bar, sir. We're happy to have you. Tell Jason I said hello, please.
Thank you, and he left the firm over the summer.
Yes, that's right. I'm sorry, but you followed his advice and wrote Proud Mountaineer. Okay, good work, good work. Way to think it through, sir. Thank you. All right, welcome, Mr. Kale. Thank you, sir. All right, Professor.
Your Honor, I'm
Ms.
proud
Kennett.
to stand here with Jordan Kennett. Jordan works as an attorney at Oxley Rich Salmons in Huntington. She's a native of Philippi and graduated from Marshall with a degree in creative writing and literary studies. Should I keep going?
Please.
During law school, Jordan worked for the WVU General Counsel's Office and was an active member of our Lugar Trial Association.
We let somebody from Marshall work in our general counsel's office? I don't think they do. Objection. Keep going. Is that, oh, I'm sorry. Was that it? Okay. I'm sorry.
No, that was it.
Okay.
We present her
All right.
for
All right.
admission to the Northern District.
Understood. Understood. I'll try to be nice. Just not once ever, like Patrick Mahomes, not once ever in the history of the world has Marshall ever beaten the Mountaineers in football. No matter what they tell you down there in Huntington, it has never, ever happened. And respectfully, soccer doesn't count. So,
I guess that depends on who you ask.
it does, but in this courtroom,
Yeah, today I think we're asking him.
I'm told that kind of matters. Motion granted, ma'am. We're happy to have you. I'm glad you got some religion and got here. I hope you left with some blue and gold and come back and see us every now and then. But congratulations. Welcome to the bar, man. We're happy to have you.
You're at this point, I'm happy to turn the mic over.
I figured you might be, Professor. Sorry. Ms. Kimball. Mr. Kimball, I'm sorry.
Your Honor, thank you. My name is Matt High School. I'm stepping in for Kelly Kimball.
Hold on. You know what? You're right. Okay. So I have this sticky note that told me that, but it's at the front because Mr. Garrison was supposed to be here. Then I was told that Kelly was subbing in. Then I got this, and I've been busy texting my rage at Garrison for standing us up. With that said, sir, the floor is now yours.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Mr. Garrison apologizes profusely
yes, he
as you think
certainly
you.
did.
Yes. My name is Matt High School. I'm a member of Spillman, Thomas, and Battle here in Morgantown. I apologize. I'm a little hoarse, both from cheering on the Mountaineers last night as well as cheering on the Morgantown High School girls volleyball team.
Yes,
Won
I'm
the
sorry.
state-
Did I not mention that? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Those not from Morgantown or UHS families, the Mohegans did win the state volleyball championship yesterday. My daughter plays volleyball at MHS. You should expect 3 more in a row. Go ahead, sir.
Yes, absolutely, Your Honor. It's my pleasure to move for the admission of Sarah King, who's met the requirements for admission under the rule. Sarah King has graduated from West Virginia State University with a degree in business administration. While at West Virginia State, she worked as a peer academic tutor in accounting, finance, and mathematics, and as a teaching assistant for business organizations. She's a proud graduate of West Virginia University's College of Law, where she earned a Cali Award for Property. She participated in the Land Use and Sustainable Development Law Clinic. She served as president of the Jewish Law Student Association, and she worked as a peer academic counselor for civil procedure, criminal law, and torts. She's currently employed at Spillman Thomas and Battle and hopes to focus her practice in real estate and corporate transactions, banking, finance, and tax matters, notwithstanding my strong pull to get her into litigation. She credits her accomplishments to the love and support of her husband, Doug King, who is here, and the constant encouragement from her 2 children, Kobe and Douglas Jr., who have been her biggest cheerleaders along the way, as well as the guidance and encouragement of the College of Law and Spillman, who helped shape her path. I've known Sarah since her first summer at Spillman in 2023. She's an asset to the community, and I would believe she'll be an asset to this bar. With that, Your Honor, I move for her admission to the United States District Court for the Northern District of West Virginia.
Understood, sir. Motion granted. Ms. King, welcome to the bar of the Northern District. We're so happy to have you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Professor, Ms. Kosis, am I saying that right?
Coaches, you're
Coaches, sorry, hard C. My bad.
Rebecca Marie Coaches is currently working at the Harrison County Public Defender's Office. She's
I'm sorry, Professor, I need to interrupt you. Sir, come down here. Come on. Yes, you, come on. I'm going to embarrass you, I'm sorry. Come on, stand right over here. Come on.
Do we know him?
Dad,
He's my dad.
I figured.
Yeah.
is this Dad?
Yes.
Come on, Dad, stand right here so you can get it. Thank you, Your Honor. You're welcome, sir. Appreciate it tremendously. Get a good spot. Hold on. We're there. Okay. Professor, start over, but go ahead.
May I present Rebecca Marie Coaches? She's currently working at the Harrison County Public Defender's Office. She is a graduate of Fairmont State University, where she graduated with a Bachelor's of Science in Criminal Justice and a Bachelor's of Arts in National Security and Intelligence, Political Science, and Spanish Language and Literature. At WVU Law, she was a member of our Public Interest Advocates, president of the Maryland E. Lugar Trial Association, and worked as a student attorney in our Innocence Clinic. All of that, and she graduated with an Order of the Barrister's distinction. Rebecca would like to thank Professor Charles DeSavo for all his support, her boss, Jordan Dishong, for her guidance, encouragement, and leadership, and her family, most notably her parents, Randall and Jeanette. With that, Your Honor, I present Rebecca for admission to the Northern District.
Understood. Motion granted. Ms. Coaches, welcome to the bar of the Northern District. We're so happy to have you. Congratulations, ma'am, and congratulations, Dad.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Mullins. All right, go right ahead, sir.
May it please the court, I'm Hunter Mullins. I'm here today to move the admission of Hunter Mullins, my son and the godson of Honorable John L. Waters, Circuit Judge here in West Virginia.
Do we not have someone here to take a picture and video of this moment?
Yeah, that's right.
Come on, I'm going to make you start over again, Dad. I'm sorry.
Oh, sure.
Mr. Mullins, the floor is yours.
May it please the court, I'm Hunter Mullins. I'm here today to move the admission of my son, Hunter Mullins, also the godson of John L. Waters, the late Circuit Judge of Taylor and Barber County. He's met all the requirements for the practice of law before this honorable court. Hunter is a native of Barber County, West Virginia, with strong roots in Taylor and Pocahontas counties. He graduated from West Virginia University, summa cum laude, in 2022 with a degree in finance. Now, I must apologize ahead of time, Your Honor, even though he
About the
wore a
tie?
red tie today, and he's a proud graduate of the Pitt College of Law. And where he was a senior editor in the Pitt Law Review.
Go ahead. It's going to end poorly.
But let me make the argument for his admission.
Is that why he wore the red, to hide his tracks?
He didn't get my memo, I guess.
Okay, all right, go ahead.
So he is a proud graduate of Pitt Law. But the argument, Your Honor, he was
Sir.
a member of Law Review at Pitt, but also he's a sixth-generation West Virginian. His great-great-great-grandparents came from the Black Forest of Germany to Pocahontas County 6 generations ago. Also, his sister and his brother-in-law graduated from the WVU College of Law. His parents graduated from WVU. He did have a grandfather, in full disclosure, Your Honor, that graduated from Pitt and WVU. But he is here today, Your Honor. He scored in the top 5% of the bar exams in West Virginia. He came back to Morgantown. He chose Morgantown over Pittsburgh. He came back and
Don't
he
get credit
is
for that. I mean, come on.
he is practicing with Bowles, Rice, and Morgantown in the litigation group. So that's my argument, Your Honor, for his admission.
So I'm going to blame J. Mark Adkins for this Pitt hire then. Okay, understood.
He's my son. I can vouch for his character. And also, Your Honor, I stand by my statement to the Supreme Court earlier, or last month, I guess it was, that he's going to be a very good lawyer, but a better son, there's none. And it's with great pride and joy that I move his admission to the Northern District of West Virginia.
Well, such a moving motion, I will withdraw my objection to his sullied academic transcript. Granted, Mr. Mullins, welcome to the bar of the Northern District of West Virginia. Stop by in the Blue Lot in 4 years when we beat Pitt's ass once again. So.
Now, I'm going to tell you, Your Honor, he did represent, well, he was at Pitt. Every backyard brawl we'd go up, game day, he would wear his Mountaineer gear at Pitt Law. There's 2 of them in the whole law school that would wear their Pitt gear.
I mean,
So-
nobody likes Pitt. I mean,
Yeah.
tomorrow, stadium's going to be full tomorrow, right? It's going to be all green, Notre Dame everywhere, and then I'm going to read in the papers, like, well, Pitt sold out their stadium. Sure.
But he did go to both tailgates, Pitt
Good.
and WVU,
All right.
so.
Your Honor, I just put forward that somebody that wore the West Virginia stuff behind enemy lines and carried the name.
I'm proud of you.
Perhaps
Just
that's
carry the flag forward. I understand.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No parent's efforts are perfect. That's all I'll say. That's all I'll say. Welcome, Mr. Mullins. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. And Mr. Mullins, congratulations. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. I guess I have to have a Pitt grad or 2 on our rolls. Understood. Professor, go ahead.
Your Honor, I present Victoria Torrey Petrie. She works at Schaefer & Schaefer, a native of Southwest Virginia. She graduated from West Virginia University undergrad with a degree in psychology. Here at WVU Law School, she had the opportunity to intern with the Honorable Joanna Tabbitt and at Legal Aid of West Virginia. She passed the bar earlier this year and seeks admission to this honorable court.
Motion granted. Anyone who survived her honors chambers can survive here. She was a saint, and you're lucky to have worked with her. Thank you, ma'am. Motion granted. Welcome to the bar of the Northern District. Thank you so much. Mr. Miley, sir, how are you? Wonderful. Ms. Riddell, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
May it please the court, I am Tim Miley. I am a member of this bar and have been for 34 years. It's my pleasure after having moved the admission of Ms. Rydell in both the State Supreme Court and the Southern District, to move her admission here for the Northern District. Jamie grew up and was raised in Greenbrier County, and 12 years ago, she moved to the north central part of the state to go to school in Fairmont, at Fairmont State, where she got a degree in political science and criminal justice, and then followed that up with a master's degree in criminal justice. After working for about 5 years in 2 or 3 different law firms as a paralegal, she decided to become one of us. And so she went to WVU Law School, where she graduated this past May. While she was there, she was a student clinician in a land use and sustainable development clinic, as well as one of the first law school fellows for the Center of Excellence in Disability, where she got valuable insight into the lives of the disability community and hopefully will serve her well with the empathy that she'll have for our personal injury clients. She's worked for our law firm since August. I've come to know Jamie as someone who's smart, she's got great character, she's unafraid, and when the day comes that she appears before you, Judge, you will not find a shrinking violet. So it's with my pleasure and pride that I move for admission to this district.
Understood, sir. It's my honor and privilege to grant your motion. Ms. Riddell, welcome to the Bar of the Northern District, ma'am. We're happy to have you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Great, thank
Thank
you.
you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Prince, you're back up, sir.
Back up, Your Honor. May it please the court. My name, once again, is Wes Prince. I'm here on behalf of Medea Law to move the admission of Kendall Roby. Ms. Roby is a recent WVU Law School grad and also a WVU undergrad. So we have double duty once again. And she's a native of Harrison County, West Virginia, and certainly will be joining our firm. But she began her role with our firm back when she was a junior in undergrad and continued that role throughout law school. Even though we were going to hire her regardless, she, during her time in law school, worked at the immigration clinic and participated in Lugar mock trials with the Lugar Trial Association, where she was selected the National Order of Barristers. And with that, Your Honor, she's met the requirements to be admitted, and certainly it's my honor to move her admission.
Also somehow passed the bar despite having me for criminal procedure. So with that, extra oomph, motion granted. Of course, Ms. Roby, congratulations. Welcome to the Bar of the Northern District, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good answer, ma'am. Good answer. All right, Professor, the floor is yours again, ma'am, I believe.
Your Honor, I present Elizabeth Sims. Elizabeth graduated in the top 20% of her law class and received a dual JD MBA degree here at WVU. During law school, she served as associate editor and senior managing editor for the West Virginia Law Review and as a legal research assistant for our Professor Elaine Wilson. She is now employed as an attorney at Bowles Rice. I present her for admission to the Northern District.
WVU undergrad, right? Okay, all right. We have way too many people who went to Pitt. We don't have enough WVU undergrad accounting majors. Welcome to the club, ma'am. Motion granted. We're so happy to have you, Ms. Sims. Welcome to the Bar of the Northern District. Thank you. All right. Mr. Snavely.
Your Honor, I present Jackson Snavely. A native of Hurricane, he graduated from the University of South Carolina with a degree in political science. During law school here at WVU, Mr. Snavely achieved Cali Awards in remedies, administrative law, and pursued part-time employment with the law firm Lewis Gianola. He worked as an associate editor at our law review and as a peer academic consultant for me, tutoring students in civil procedure and torts. He's currently employed as an associate at Lewis Gianola PLLC and plans on practicing transactional law. Lastly, he would like to thank his parents, siblings, fiance, who's in the room, correct? And mentors at Lewis Gianola for their invaluable support. Your Honor, I present Jackson for admission to the Northern District.
Understood. Motion granted despite my unpleasant experience of the 1994 CarQuest Bowl and the South Carolina Gamecocks. Statute of limitations expired on that. Mr. Snavely, welcome to the Bar of the Northern District. We're happy to have you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. One day I do want to come down and tailgate in those cabooses, though, by the stadium. That looks
I can make it happen.
That looks like a killer time.
There you go.
That looks like a killer time, so.
The caboose would
All right.
welcome you.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you. All right. Ms. Sokos, where are you? Hello, how are you?
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good.
All right. Professor.
Your Honor, Olivia Sokos works for your counterpart, the federal law clerk with the Honorable
He doesn't
Frank
have a blue and
Volk.
gold robe.
Your inferior counterpart,
Better.
the Honorable Frank Volk in the Southern District. Olivia, a native of Morgantown, West Virginia, graduated summa cum laude from here, WVU, with a Bachelor's of Arts in Anthropology and Political Science. She also achieved minors in Business and History. During law school, she was equally as impressive. She served as editor-in-chief of our law review, a student clinician in our land use and sustainable development clinic, vice president of the Leadership Council, treasurer of the Environmental Law Society, and achieved a concentration in energy and sustainable development while earning 4 Cali Awards, contracts, environmental law, 2 different kinds of environmental law, and coal, oil, and gas. She plans, unsurprisingly, to practice in the areas of energy and environmental law. I
Understood.
present her for admission to the Northern District.
And also a survivor of the bar exam despite my criminal procedure class. Understood. Ms. Sokos, sorry, let me step back up. Motion granted. Congratulations. Welcome to the bar of the Northern District. Please give Chief Judge Volk my best, and you all should chip in and get him a proper robe. All right. Thank you. Welcome, ma'am. All right. Mr. Spinagle, sir.
Your Honor, I present Kyle Spinagle from Pendleton County. He now lives here in Morgantown. He received both his undergraduate degree and law degree from WVU. During law school, Kyle was a part of our Veterans Advocacy Clinic and received several Cali Awards. He's particularly proud of his Cali Award for Trial Advocacy under the tutelage of Professor Charles DeSavo. Kyle plans to practice in law here around Morgantown, representing indigent criminal defendants. He would like to thank his parents, Kevin and Pam, his girlfriend Jillian, for their support and care during law school and as he starts his career. I present him for admission to the Northern District.
Understood. Also a Crim Pro survivor, sir. Congratulations on that. And motion granted. Welcome to the bar of the Northern District, Mr. Spinagle. We're happy to have you, sir. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you. Ms. Walker.
Your Honor, this is Madison Channing Walker. She was born and raised in Beckley, and she attended WVU, earning a Bachelor's of Arts in Psychology with double minors in Criminology and Legal Studies. She graduated summa cum laude and then immediately came to WVU Law. While here, she received a Cali in criminal law, participated in our Lugar Cup, and was a member of various organizations, including Leadership Council, our Public Interest Advocates, our Wellness Council, as well as interning for the Raleigh County Prosecuting Attorney's Office and externing for the Preston County Prosecuting Attorney's Office. Her passion for criminal justice reform and support and providing support and services to those in need brought her to her current job as an assistant public defender for Harrison County, where she lives with her husband and her cat.
What's your cat's name?
Maple butter.
Aw. That's a wonderful name. Okay. Sorry. Motion granted. Lost myself for a second. I wasn't expecting maple butter.
She's
Okay.
also hairless.
Oh, geez.
Okay. I'm sure she's beautiful. Okay. Motion granted. Ms. Walker, welcome to the bar of the Northern District, ma'am. We're happy to have you. Thank you. All right. Ms. Ward, ma'am.
Your Honor, I present Lauren Ward. Lauren works as an attorney at Bailey & Wyatt PLLC. She's a native of Mineral Wells and graduated from Marietta College with a degree in political science. During law school, Lauren acted as a student attorney for the General Litigation Clinic and as associate editor on our law review. I present her for admission to the Northern District.
Understood. Motion granted. Ms. Ward, welcome to the bar of the Northern District. We're happy to have you. Give everybody in the Charleston office my best. All right, Ms. Whittington. Ma'am, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Go ahead, Professor.
Catherine Whittington hails from Sissonville, West Virginia, graduating.
work.
Did I say that correctly?
You did?
Graduating summa cum laude from WVU with degrees in political science and business administration. She attended WVU Law as a prestigious Bloom Scholar. During law school, she won the George C. Baker Moot Court competition and earned a spot on our national competition team. She was a diligent member of the Lugar Trial Association, competing in Lugar Cup and coaching 1Ls for their competitions. Catherine received Callies in Contracts 2 and American Legal History, and she served as an admissions ambassador working to promote WVU Law to potential incoming students. She now works at Dinsmore and Scholl in Charleston in their labor and employment section.
Oh, labor and employment. Oh, I used to do that. I didn't get to work with Mark Carter, though, unfortunately. All right, motion granted. I'm sorry, Ms. Whittington, welcome to the Bar of the Northern District. Please give everybody in Dinsmore's L&E Department in Charleston my very best. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you. All right. Ms. Wilkes.
Your Honor, I'm joined by Morgan Wilkes, a native of Pax, West Virginia. She also is a double dipper, attending West Virginia University, earning degrees in economics and political science before coming to WVU Law. Here, she was a student clinician with the Land Use and Sustainable Development Clinic and has recently accepted an attorney position at Stephen P. New and Associates in Beckley, West Virginia.
Understood. It's my honor and privilege to grant your motion. Ms. Wilkes, welcome to the Bar of the Northern District. Please give Mr. New my very best. Thank you. Mr. Wilson, sir.
Your Honor, I present the final request for admission, Gavin Wilson. Gavin Wilson clerks for the Honorable Mike Asbury in the 17th Judicial District. He graduated from West Virginia Wesleyan with a bachelor's degree in history and English literature and a master's degree in business administration. Here at WVU Law, he was a member of our Public Interest Advocates and Tax Law Society. Gavin calls Webster Springs home.
Understood. Tax Law Society, huh? Banger. Banger time. Awesome. As a accounting major, I know. Motion granted, Mr. Wilson. Welcome to the Bar of the Northern District, sir. We're happy to have you. Welcome.
Thank you, Your
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, in closing, thank you for admitting all of my requests. I now feel compelled to tell you that I went to Pitt.
That would explain that whole northern-southern thing. I'm going to talk to the dean about maybe more stringent screening around here. Understood. Professor.
Understood. Thank you, Your Honor.
Professor, thank you so much. Thank you. All right. If I could ask all of our newly admitted lawyers to please stand and raise your right hand. And while you're doing that, anyone who wants to come down and take pictures or video, come on. Dad, I know you do. You can probably put your hands down till everybody gets situated, sorry. You can be right up here too, come on. Come on.
Give my phone a second to power up, Your Honor.
Hold on, we're waiting on Ms. All right, no, you're good, you're good. You tell me when you're ready.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're gonna hear about this.
I apologize.
No need to, but
For
you're
the delay.
gonna hear about it.
I know. I know my daughter quite well.
All right, everybody ready? Okay. We have a lengthy, put your hands down, hold on. It's like Simon says. We have a lengthy oath. I've learned some valuable lessons begrudgingly over my years now. I'll read the whole thing. You say I do at the end and you'll be official, okay? Now, raise your right hands, please. Thank you all. All right. Do you solemnly swear that you will support the Constitution of the United States, that you will maintain the respect due to courts of justice and judicial officers, that you will not counsel or maintain any suit or proceeding which shall appear to you to be unjust, nor any defense except such as you believe to be honestly debatable under the law of the land, that you will employ for the purposes of maintaining the causes confided in you such means only as are consistent with truth and honor, and you will never seek to mislead the court or jury by any artifice or false statement of fact or law, that you will maintain the confidence and preserve inviolate the secrets of your clients, and will accept no compensation in connection with your client's business except from them with their knowledge and approval, that you will abstain from all offensive personalities and advance no fact prejudicial to the honor or reputation of a party or witness unless required by the justice of the cause with which you are charged, and lastly, that you will never reject from any consideration personal to yourself the cause of the defenseless or oppressed, or delay any person's cause for lucre or malice, so help you God. I do. Awesome, great, thank you all. Hearing unanimous I do's, you can put your hands down. Congratulations, you now all are officially members of the Bar of the Northern District of West Virginia and our first incoming class to be sworn in here at the West Virginia University College of Law. Thank you all so much. can take your seats. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you. No, thank you, gentlemen. It is my understanding, at the court's insistence, there are Flying WV cookies available. Do we know where?
Directly outside.
Directly outside, outstanding. You're not allowed to have a cookie. I wasn't talking to you. Professor, you can have a cookie. Mr. Mullins can't have a cookie. He went to Pitt, you remember that? Remember? Our first WVU swearing in, you guys brought me somebody from Pitt? Okay, I remember. Thank you all for indulging me overall and indulging our insistence that we meet here. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to our district. We've always had such a wonderful relationship with the College of Law, and we're going to try to do this on an annual basis. We'll probably have some pyrotechnics and fog next time, but you all come back and you can run through the fog too, and then we'll shoot guns outside. It'll be great. Any other business we need to take up? None, hearing none. Those babies were so wonderfully well behaved. That was remarkable. I don't have a gavel. I've never gotten to hit it anyway, but with nothing else, we'll stand adjourned. There we go. Thank you all.